Hey everyone, Chase from iPort here. I wanted to take a minute and share with you some new updates to the iPort Connect and Dock product lineup here. Stay tuned for some more information. Hi everyone, today I wanted to share with you how to install an iPad into a Connect or Connect Pro case. Regardless of the product lineup, the installation process is generally the same. The first step is to remove the case half off the top of the case. Take your iPad, slide it gently into place, making sure that it's seated directly into the connector at the bottom of the case. Take the top portion of your sleeve half, slide that in, making sure it clicks directly into place. Verifying that there's no open seams, you know that you've done the installation correctly. To remove the iPad from the case, gently separate the left and then the right half of the cases first, then slide the top and your iPad out of the case. To further secure the iPad into the case, use the provided security tool, insert it into the top of the case, and slide it up towards the locking position. Next, we're going to take the dock out of the packaging and grab your power supply. Install the correct blades for your country, grab the power supply barrel connector, turn the dock over, place the barrel connector into the bottom of the dock, and set the dock in the location where you're going to use it. The dock has an integrated cable retention feature. In order to activate that, flip the dock over, slide the cable ring down towards the front of the dock, loop the cable over the post, slide the ring back, then you can flip the dock back over, put it in its desired location, and you're ready to use the dock. Take your iPad in a Connect case, dock it onto the iPad, and wait for the iPad to start charging. Next, I wanted to talk about the iPort Connect multi-dock. This is a dock we've designed specifically to charge up to 6 iPads for any sizes that we have available cases for. This works for Connect Pro and for Connect cases alike. So to start, take the multi-dock out of the packaging, grab the provided power supply and plug it into a wall. Flip the multi-dock on its side, plug in the power connection, making sure that the lock is in place, holding the cable in. To verify the iPad is charging when docked into a multi-dock, there's a number of different ways to identify this. The first is to watch the iPad to see if the charging icon appears on the front of the home screen. There's integrated lights into the side of the multi-dock as well that show the current charging status of the iPad. If the iPad is fully charged, the LED on the side of the multi-dock will show green. If the iPad is in the process of charging, it'll show red. If you notice that an iPad is not charging and the light is not lit on the side of the multi-dock, remove the iPad real quickly and reseat it back into the multi-dock, verifying that it's seated correctly and that it started to charge. Along with a new set of cases, we've also developed a number of different accessories that work in conjunction with the Connect cases. Today I wanted to talk specifically about Handstand. Handstand is a unique application that gives you the ability of taking iPad on the move with you comfortably, but also giving iPad a place to stand on a table or a desk when not in use. To install Handstand, all you have to do is take the provided security tool that ships with Handstand or the case, place the Handstand onto the center portion of the case, grab your security tool and turn it towards the lock position, and your handstand is permanently attached onto the case. Now that you've locked handstand onto the case, simply insert your hand into the strap, use the Velcro to tighten to your preferred tension. Handstand also gives you the ability of rotating the iPad while it's in its locked position for ease of use for your viewing angle. When you're done holding an iPad, pop out the back of handstand. It allows you to set that on a desk or a table and interface with the iPad as you're not holding it. Likewise, you can also adjust the viewing angle to be most comfortable for you, regardless if you're sitting or standing. One thing to note about handstand, when using an iPad mini 6th generation and placing it onto a dock or multi-dock, make sure that the handstand is rotated out of the way of the back of the dock or multi-dock for proper charging.